Guys, so maghihimong vlogger na akong wife. So mga kani, we're going to our hotel na. So since ako live, siya ay magbuyan sa mga bagahe. Okay. So we are here now in Kuala Lumpur, and tomorrow afternoon we're going to Singapore. Alright, thank you. Mababait pala mga tao dito sa Malaysia, guys. Time check. It's almost 2:30 in the morning. So wala pa tayo pahinga. Marag dumagete ra po sa. Nara po yung mga motor. Okay. Tomorrow night we are in Singapore, so mag nightlife in sa Singapore. Now we are here in Malaysia. So, alright, mga tisda, mga classmate ko no. So 50 RM. So ibig sabihin 1 RM is equivalent to 13 pesos in the Philippines. Right? Okay. So alright, restaurant Bistro, and I think kakain muna kami mamaya. Thank you nga pala sa minamahal naming mga loved ones, mga sponsors. Coach, thank you so much. And the Windmaker, the crypto master. So guys, start na kayo guys, mag-save ng crypto, because on the following 3 to 5 years, cryptocurrency in the market will rolling up, goes up. Okay, so guys, this is the place. Look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. It's more fun in Malaysia, not in the Philippines. Look at this place. Wow. The food itself is very nice. Woo. Namaligya sila pampagahi guys. Kailangan mo pampagahi guys. Katawang mga galuyang mga manoy ba, pwede na sa sila baligya dire dagan aras dalan. Okay, this is Malaysia. So guys, please follow my vlog in my YouTube channel, Rich Miners by Rusty. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of chicks here. Hello. Mga artist sila guys. Mga arty. Dili managad. Pero kaniya itong mga Singaporean, ang mga Korean, mga gwapa kayo sila guys. Managad kayo sila yun as in. Mr. Desi, how are you? What's in your mind? Are you feel tired or are you feel happy? Do you feel happy? Oh, okay ra. Di na sila mangligis. Yeah. I love this place. I think I'm gonna stay here for a long time because I will look for someone like this. Alpha Genesis. Guys, parang nasa Tondo ba? Nawala yata kami guys. Nagpa-cash in pa. Pabayaan mo silang pakashin ng pakashin doon. Kami, magpa-cash out lang kami. Every port, deport. Every place, replace. Sir, can you take the video for me? So that makita naman ako sa... Huwag mo papatayin ah. Ayan.
I won't kill the video, but I will
Yeah.
kill you.
Yeah, don't kill me.
So what do you want me to say? You want to
don't-
stay there in
You don't have to-
YY38 Hotel?
You don't have to say anything, but I'm the one to say for you.
Okay, go.
Okay guys, this is Malaysia. Okay? Malaysia is one of the nicest place in the world. Just the one who hold my cell phone is a nice guy. Okay?
Is
That's
that
it. Yeah, that's it.
Fine, just stay there.
Okay. Okay guys ha, gitour na tamo dire guys sa Malaysia. So mura na mo kakuyog sa mo ang trip. Trip mo, trip ko. Trip mo, trip ko. Para lang tayong naglakad sa Divisoria. Trip mo.
Siya naman yung
Parang sa kuya eh, kasi
kung saan yung start.
Yan, nawala na sila. Nawala yung Staros Hotel namin guys. Asan kaya yung Staros? Baka mapunta sa kuan. Hello sir, can I ask something? Sir, do you know where Staros Hotel? Staros Hotel. Alright, thank you. Yeah. I don't know where's that place. Hello ma'am, do you speak English? Staros Hotel? Staros Hotel?
hindi niya alam yan, may Marian.
Alright. Where's the Staros Hotel? Wow, so sexy the babes here. The black babe.
Nagbebenta yan, no? Ganyan, no?
Hindi ko alam.
Kuya, pag gano'n, nagbebenta yun.
Ganon ba? Pabili nga. Magkano yun? 5 ringgit. Apo, didiretso lang po. This is the place. Agoy ba? May fragment man sa taan na music dire eh. No infringement copyright guys. Nawala sila. Putra guys.
Dito na.
Asa sila? Sila. Yung mga kasama natin.
Ulit tayo.
Okay. Right guys, this is the Staros Hotel. So this is our place. Okay. So this is where we're gonna stay. Wow, very nice. I love this place. Woo! I love this place. Nasa baba lang lahat ng Staros Hotel.
Tara.
Tara, akyat kami guys. Staros Hotel guys. Saan yung entrance? Okay. Oh yeah, Staros nga. Lucky pala ng Staros guys. Putra guys. Woo! Thank you. So, nandito lang lahat. Ay, putra guys, oh. Mga chika babes, guys, oh. Sorry. Hello.
Kuya, saan ka na?
Hello. Don't worry. No. I did, yeah, I did that video you.
No, pakikinig please for privacy.
No, don't worry. We did not make you a video.
Kinuha na to.
Bisaya, kalau tu Pinoy yun.
Pinoy.
Pinay.
This is the Staros Hotel, guys. Alright. Daming tao guys sa Staros Hotel. Grabe. Okay. So, nandito na kami lahat, guys. Ma'am Joyce? Yeah. Wow. I love the place.
Goodbye.
Okay. So we're here at Star Hotel. Asa si Jessa? Tara naman. This is our hotel, guys. So thank you so much sa sponsor namin. Nagpa-book ng Star Hotel. Ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng hotel, ang ganda ng ambience. Nanay keycard ni Sir Jerry. Kau ba na ta? Kamo doa. Oh, tayo wala pa.
Wala pa kaming card.
Nako, get the card. Nako, get the card.
Ito kasi mine, ma'am.
Ik-
Ito na lang, wait, pagka pag ako ba?
Video na nga kita kuya, kin lang yan.
Hindi, maghanap ako ng card. Wala pa akong card.
Sige na.
Ah,
Ayan siya.
Sabi naman ni Ma'am Jessa, alam niyo na naman. So, bukas pa po kayo mag-check-in ng 8 o'clock. Yeah.
pero pwede kami makita.
Sino po yung walang mga kasama? Pwede po kayo. Kasi sino kaya yung dalawa sila? Isa lang. Sige, chance na lang pa nila.
Okay. Hala guys, hindi ko alam yun guys.
So, mamaya ka pa
Meron
mag...
Opo, hindi ko alam eh. Ano ba yun? Teka lang ha, hindi pala kami nakakuha ng ticket po, trages. Wala kaming room. Mine, let's go. Mabiyaan na to, Sir Jerry. Okay. Hi. Hi, nako, wala Miss Jessa. Wala minabook hotel per night. Tomorrow pa. Asa na sila? Andali lang ha. Tawagan na to. Tawagan sana to.